So many people that are new to YouTube are always asking about how they can get a really cool intro for their YouTube channel or to animate the logo of their business or their podcast. And on this video, I'm going to show you the easiest, quickest, and cheapest way to do that. There are so many ways that you can make an animated logo or a stinger or a bumper, an intro for your YouTube channel. But some things to have in mind before you get to making it is that you want to make sure to keep it really short. You want to include maybe some pictures or a little video B-roll or something like that, but nothing longer than 15 seconds. I would even say 10 seconds is better than 15. You want to keep it really short so that you can keep your viewers engaged and not bore them. We want to really get to the content and the meat of our video as quick as possible. So one of the most common ways that people new to YouTube will create an intro for their channel is they go to Fiverr.com and have somebody do it for them. Or they'll watch hours and hours of tutorial videos on YouTube and try to learn complicated graphics programs like After Effects or things like that. But I'm always on the lookout for easy, quick, but also really impressive solutions for things like video intros or graphic design or social media sharing. And one of the favorites that I've found recently is a website called Placeit. You can do all of the design and everything you need to do actually on the website. Let's hop over in there and you can follow along step by step to make your own channel intro within minutes. But before we hop over to there, if you are interested in growing your brand and expanding your YouTube channel or getting into podcasting, make sure that you hit subscribe here so that you can be reminded when we post really fun and informative videos each week. All right, let's jump into Placeit. Okay, so first we just go to placeit.net, and above the top here, you'll find videos, and under videos, we have intros. But just take a look at all the other things it has for videos. It has slideshows, promo videos, YouTube videos, all sorts of different things that you can make here on Placeit. But we're just gonna look at intros for this video. You'll see the first thing that comes up actually says free. So there are some free options here, and you can actually, if you go to videos, you can look right here where it says freebies, and you can find lots of different free options of different graphics you can create very quickly and easily here on Placeit. But let's go back to videos and intros, and I'm going to find an intro that I think kind of matches the style of my YouTube channel. Let's see, I really like this one here. It's already pretty close to our brand colors, and I think this would look really cool for our YouTube channel here at the Pod Sound School. So I just click on it, and now you see it's super easy, super intuitive to start customizing it. Right here you can add in some text. So here I will just say pod and sound and school like that, and it will start loading a preview for you, which is really cool. And then you can actually choose to have the playback speed be half the time or even double the time. And remember, I like to make sure that we keep our intros really quick, so I'm going to do a 1.5 playback speed here. And then here I'll go to the next slide. You can also add slides and continue to customize this more and more. And it says your logo image. So I'm actually going to upload an image. I'll go to my desktop here, and I have this image that is kind of our logo image we use for everything. And you can crop it the way you want. It looks like it wants it to be about like this. We want to completely fill the space that it's asking us to fill, and we'll go ahead and crop it. And now it will show us what that looks like as a preview here. It will take a moment, and you'll see it says cropping. So Placeit does everything from your browser here. You never have to download an application. You never really even have to learn how to use a complicated application, and it does everything really quick. So once you're done, and once you've done that, you can also adjust your colors here. You can choose whatever colors you want, or what I really love, if you come down here and click on more, you can actually type in your brand colors. So we have our yellow color here. I'll type that in, and then we can use our own pink color that we have. So you say more, and I'll type in our own pink color. Oh, and now it's asking me to continue editing to sign up, and this is something you'll want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. And once you've created an account, you'll be able to continue editing, and I will go here to more as well, and I'm going to go ahead and add our navy blue color. Okay, now how cool is that I have our branded Pod Sound School colors here right inside of this. That is really great. So now I can say play all, and it will show you what you've done. You can also choose from many of the music selections. It has tons of different music. If you press the edit button here, that you can choose music that you can also use in your designs if you're looking to have music for your video intro as well. How fun. So now I'll just say play all here, and it says your video is being processed. This can take a minute or two. But considering everything that it is doing in the background here, this is really fast. So that is really cool. As you can see, I thought that looked great. Now I can download it, and it says there's 2 ways to purchase. I can buy just this video for $10, which is great if you compare that to what you'd pay somebody on Fiverr. So you want to make sure that you have it just right, the way you like it, and buy this for $10. Or as you can see here, it shows you some of the other pricing options where you can have mock-ups, designs, logos, videos, everything you need. And you can see you could pay $12 a month. So I love that they have single video purchases. So if you're just looking for a one-off video, you can do that. So I would purchase this if I wanted to download it, or I would sign up if I wanted to download it. But maybe I wasn't happy, so I can continue editing. I could also save the draft here before downloading, which is nice. And the other thing you can do when you're looking at video designs, intro designs, and you're just kind of going through and finding the best one that you want, is you can create favorites. So let's say I liked this one as a favorite, and maybe I like some of these ones that show your slogan, like this right here shows your slogan. That's another favorite. And then you can actually look at your favorites. So as you can see, there are tons of templates. There's a ton of freebies also that you can play around with. Placeit is really fun. I think it's super intuitive, really easy to use, and get you up and going with professional looking graphics without having to break the bank. And there you go. Pretty cool solution, right? What did you think about Placeit? What did you think about this video? Here at the Pod Sound School, we are here to help you elevate your brand and your business and to make something big happen with whatever creative endeavor you've got going on. So make sure you leave some comments here. We'd love to get to know more about your projects, your YouTube channel, your podcast, your business, whatever it is. Get to know us, leave some comments here, or come follow us on social media anywhere at Pod Sound School. And until next time, stay inspired, keep creating. Hey, I'm Studio Steve. I'm a content creator, podcast producer, all around crazy dude who doesn't know what the hell I'm saying in this video. And until next time, don't forget to hit subscribe here, and we will catch you on the flip side. I don't even know what that means. Here at the Pod Sound School, we are here.